Now going over to question 26, these bullet points tell us that this is a rhetorical synthesis question. And for these, you want to first find out what it is you should be looking for. They always tell you. And if there happen to be multiple answer choices that fit that description, then you can get into the bullet points to differentiate between the answer choices. So let's try it. Here, the student wants to emphasize a difference between the two approaches to dyeing blue jeans. So in many cases, emphasizing is different than just reporting. If I tell you the different numbers, that's different than saying this thing was greater than this other thing. So let's look at the answers. A says, though created using a different process, the dye contains the same ingredient as the other dye. So saying that they contain the same ingredient is more of emphasizing the similarity. So I'd rather not pick A. B, nanocellulose is a natural plant-based substance that separates the molecules of indigo powder, which doesn't dissolve in water. No difference there between the two approaches. C, the traditional approach to dyeing blue jeans is to dip them in a solution containing hazardous chemicals. Well, here, there's a mention of one of the approaches, but not an emphasis on the difference between them. D, Ray's approach substitutes a natural plant-based substance for the hazardous chemicals that manufacturers have traditionally used. So there we have the traditional method and the mention that Ray's approach substitutes some ingredient. That's an emphasis on the idea that the two approaches are different. So the answer here, without looking at the bullets, is definitely going to be D.